Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Stripe to receive online payments, whether whether you are a freelancer, business owners, or a content creator. It's simple, secure, and super efficient. Let's jump right in. Stripe is one of the most popular payment platforms out there. It lets you accept payments online via debit cards, uh, credit cards, and even wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. It's widely trusted by businesses of all sizes. To get started, go to stripe.com and click on Start Now, or if you have already an account, click on Sign In button. If you sign up for first time, choose your country and business type like individual company or non-profit. Next step, next Stripe will you will walk you through account verification. Enter your email, full name, and create a password. Don't worry if you are a solo creator or freelancer, you can still choose individual, sole proprietor, and set everything up smoothly. Once your account is created, to the next step is to connect your bank account to Stripe. Can send your money. Head over to settings from left side bar or here gear icon and select payments. Then payment method, or again go to payment checkout, enter your card from create custom payment method. Then you can select PayPal, Venmo, or any other payment method account. Then go to settings, manage, then go to profile, or go to home, then balances, then add your bank account from here, manage payouts, manage bank account, add bank account, then send verification, then enter your bank details like account number, routing code, or IBAN depending on your country. Stripe may take 1 to 2 business days to verify your bank account. Once verified, Stripe will automatically deposit your earnings on a rolling schedule, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on what you set. One of the easiest ways to receive money is using payment links. No coding needed. Go to payment section from left sidebar, then click on payment links. Click new for create a payment link. Add a product or service. Enter product name, description, image, price, quantity, etc. Then click on add product. Once done, Stripe will generate a unique link you can share via email, DM, social media, or on your website. When someone clicks the link, they will be taken to a secured checkout page to pay you directly. If you have a website, Stripe also offers options to embed a checkout button or integrate through plugins like WooCommerce, Wix, and Shopify. Use pre-built buttons or connect your site using Stripe's API for developers. Use plugins, extensions for platforms like WordPress. This lets customers check out right on your site, keeping things smooth and professional. And that's it. You are now ready to receive payments online using Stripe. It's fast, secure, and scales with your business. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I would love to help. Thanks for watching.